Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your steering wheel. First, always make sure your vehicle is safely parked before you begin. Locate the adjustment lever or button, which is typically found underneath the steering column. Once you have found it, sit comfortably with your back fully against the seat, ensuring you are in a good starting position for optimal adjustment. Now, let's focus on the tilt adjustment. Move the steering wheel up or down until you find a height that feels comfortable for you. When your hands are on the wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions, your arms should have a slight bend. Crucially, make sure the steering wheel does not block your view of the instrument panel. Next, we'll adjust the telescopic reach. Pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away until your arms have a comfortable, slight bend at the elbows when holding the wheel. This adjustment is vital for safety. Always ensure there is at least 10 to 12 inches of space between your chest and the center of the steering wheel, where the airbag is located. Once you have found your ideal tilt and telescopic position, firmly lock the steering wheel into place using the lever or button. Give the wheel a gentle push and pull to confirm it is securely locked and won't move unexpectedly. Finally, take a short, safe drive to test your new steering wheel position and ensure it feels comfortable and safe for everyday driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.